हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम आए हैं सैटर्न में थोड़ा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स की शॉपिंग करने घर के लिए एंड आई एम सिटिंग हियर such a good lighting to record videos. So what we want to shop is vacuum cleaners and what better brand than Dyson. बट डायसन के साथ वो है कि वो काफ़ी महंगी है एंड करंटली चल रहा है सैटर्न में ऑफर। तो वेन एवर वी आर बाइंग समथिंग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वी ऑलवेज ट्राई टू सी कि माई सैटर्न जो कस्टमर कार्ड मिलता है यहाँ पे उसमें कितना डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है, ऑल्सो स्टोर में फिजिकली कितना डिस्काउंट है। कभी कभी लास्ट पीस बचा होता है तो उससे ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट मिलता है। उसके बाद वी चेक कि अमेज़ोन पे कितना डिस्काउंट है, बिकॉज अमेज़ोन पे भी अच्छा डिस्काउंट मिल जाता है। लास्ट टाइम हमने ऐसे ही किया था, वॉशिंग मशीन लेते टाइम यहाँ पे आके चेक किया, इट वॉज नॉट दैट गुड, बट अमेज़ोन पे सेम थिंग वी गॉट फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 100 euros लेस। So that's how we check, and let's see all the robots, all the vacuums now. If I have to start from the most basic one, then it is this from Bosch. This is bagless, no bag, but like a normal vacuum, and you just have to press here. Ah, एक हाथ से, and this comes out, then press here, and ये अपने आप खुलता है and लगा दो। वेरी इजी, जस्ट फॉर 84 euros। बट आई डोंट नो, आई डोंट फील कि मुझे वायर से कनेक्टेड वाला चाहिए। सो नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन इज दिस काइंड ऑफ वैक्यूम्स वेयर इट इज नॉट कनेक्टेड बाय वायर easily whenever you want. The charging station is wall mounted and you can remove it anytime you want. Plus Dyson technology is really famous and it keeps charging itself. So I feel this is better, क्योंकि कभी भी कोई घर पे आने वाला होता है या फिर कुछ भी हमें जल्दी जल्दी साफ करना होता है तो मेरे पास वो पेशेंस नहीं है कि I just remove it, put in the wire, put in the plug, and don't do that. It's too much work. So we were thinking, do we buy this one or do we go for this robot one? To be honest, हमने काफी रोबोट के भी रिव्यूज देखे, so the best one until now is this Roborock. We saw like so many videos and Roborock seems the best one, but उसकी प्राइस भी काफी बेस्ट है। It's like 700 to 800 euros I think. Yes, 700 to 800 euros with auto cleaning and mopping function and सब कुछ इनबिल्ट है इसमें। So I'm not sure कि अभी हमको ये लेना है। We were seeing कि जिससे जाली वाली साफ हो जाए मेनली, क्योंकि we have ground floor house and वहाँ पे spiders and ये सब काफी ज्यादा है, तो फिर we want something कि जिससे जाली भी साफ हो जाए and hair, क्योंकि half our house has this वाला flooring, तो इसमें hair when it gets stuck it's very very tough to remove, and actually बाल निकाल के डाले और टेस्ट किया, it's taking it very nicely, it's cleaning very nicely। तो अभी तक तो ये decided है, let's see कौन सा लेते हैं। So while walking in Saturn, Krupesh has spotted something of his favorite. Let him explain because I have no idea.
So today we saw this Starlink from SpaceX. I've been looking for it for a long time. It was not available in Germany, but I finally saw it today. They have this dish which gets the signal from Starlink satellites directly, and then you have internet connected to your home, which is very high speed internet. And it says here it costs 22 euros per month. Okay, but that's the cost of the Starlink itself. But they have the same kind of plans like Vodafone, so probably much better than other companies that are there. And the internet is very good as far as I've seen reviews, because it can be used on planes, ships, everywhere where you don't get a network. So in case you're not getting a network, then you can try it out.
So now this is his latest addiction, but I don't want to buy. It is 250 euros one time for this device, and then 50 euros every month. So we are already paying 50 euros per month for internet. So I don't know how fast it will be. It says it's extremely high speed internet, 150 Mbps. So we have to research and check a bit how much speed it is and if it's really good with ROI. So we checked many vacuums. Here, actually in the price range of 300 euros, these are there, but the power with which it cleans, I'm not sure how good it is, because we checked the review. Even if you have this, even my colleagues have many of these vacuums, but they say even after it cleans you have to clean 2 times in a week to keep the house really clean. So you cannot 100% rely on that, but it takes off a lot of load. So see what is good for you and for your house. If there are reachable spaces, because our furniture has different heights also, this should go below all the furnitures also, so you have to check all that while buying these kind of robots. But after looking at all these, we saw first let us try with the Dyson one. So this one. Yeah. How to remove this? Oh, nice. So this one works, and I tried with you putting hair on this one because we have exactly this kind of flooring, and it really cleans well. Plus, it also has hair removal technology, which is very special for Dyson. So I think we will go with this one and try how it is. So there is a filter cleaning function here. Then there is one more filter to clean, and this has something for. Oh, oh, nice. So it will remove everything that is trapped inside. सो देर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ रेंज इन डायसन ऑल्सो. हमने सोचा हम लोग ये देख रहे थे, इस पर बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट है करेंटली ऐप पे, बट देयर इज ऑल्सो दिस 500 यूरो और ये 600 यूरो का. तो इसमें ना ये लाइट फंक्शन है, ये वाला. तो हमने टेस्ट किया वापस. आज मेरे बहुत बाल यूज़ हो रहे, तो हमने बाल डाल के एकदम अंदर उसको रगड़ दिया फ्लोर में, एंड देन वी टेस्टेड विद बोथ वैक्यूम्स. तो ये 600 यूरो वाला उस बाल को नहीं निकाल पाया, बट वो 300 यूरो वाले ने बाल को निकाला. तो अभी हम लोग और भी ज़्यादा 300 यूरो वाले पे इंक्लाइन हो रहे हैं. तो देख रहे हैं, सम मोर टेस्ट टू बी डन. अभी उसने जस्ट वो खोला और ये मेरा बाल जो हमने डाला था वो निकला उसमें से. फनी स्टाफ, बट वी गॉट दिस वन. वी आर हैप्पी विद दिस वन. इट इज़ क्लीनिंग माई हेयर. दिस इज़ वन मोर रेवोल्यूशनरी प्रोडक्ट. लाइक इट क्लीन्स सो वेल. आई रियली लाइक इट. ये क्या करता है, पोछा मारता है यहाँ पे. सो यू जस्ट, अभी तो नहीं हो रहा. I don't know why, but when some people were doing it, उसने literally एरिया पोछा मारा. It was so good, but the price of this is 700 euros. So मुझे तो नहीं चाहिए कि मैं पोछा मारूँ. I want something like this for पोछा. So that we'll research a little more. For now, we have our Dyson. Now the shop is also about to close and we are done with our shopping. Let's go and take the discount. So whenever you come for Saturn, always check discounts in different places, in your app, in websites, in your email, and also on Amazon. And we got a very good offer. So we bought it, but to get the price discount, you have to always ask the person at the counter of Dyson. We have discount in app, now give us a paper. Like that paper that we have to just scan on the cashier. So we didn't get it, so we went again and then came back and it was already 8 p.m. So the cashier was so irritated that why are we coming for billing after 8 p.m. So here for them it's not important ki get more sale, but it's like get everything done before 8 p.m. If you go to them at 8, they're going to be very irritated with you. But we have the vacuum. So before going for shopping, I had already made bread ready for baking, and this is the time to bake them. The food is also ready for cooking. बाल क्लीन करने के लिए सबसे बेस्ट वैक्यूम. Works on so many surfaces. So that's all for today's vlog. Tell me how you like it and if you want to see more such vlogs. Until next time, bye bye.